Hey there, Scott with Rendall Certified Cleaning Services. One question we're asked often is you just clean my carpets, now how do I take care of it? Very, very simple. Just understand before the carpet's completely dry, we're going to speed dry your carpet. It might just barely be damp, maybe cool to the touch. When it's in that phase, that drying phase, it still has a tendency to pull soils off your shoes. So if you have to walk on it, go ahead and make sure that your shoes are clean, or use white bottom slippers. We don't want you using those nice heavy red ones or the plaid ones, because they're blue. What will happen is sometimes that moisture is enough to pull the dye right off of the slipper into the carpeting, and that's not good. Make sure that it's dry before you walk on it with anything colored. If your dogs have to walk on it, that's fine. You know, it's not going to hurt anything. If their pads on their feet are clean, no problem whatsoever. After it's completely dry, usually just a few hours, then you don't have to do anything to it until the next day or the next week. And that's just simply vacuuming the carpet. Make sure that you vacuum the traffic lanes. That's super critical with any carpeting, even if we haven't cleaned it, that you get on a regular schedule, at least vacuum your carpets once a week. In a previous video, we talked about which vacuum to choose. Our personal favorite at this moment is the Shark Rotator. It's passed the Carpet and Rug Institute seal of approval, so that's our particular consumer choice vacuum at this point. How do you spot clean it? We recommend that you reach for our bottle of Stain Foo. If you get a spill on it after we've cleaned, no problem. Stain Foo should take that spot out. If it's water-based, it should come right out. Even if it's urine or feces or vomit, it should come right out with Stain Foo. If it's oil-based, then it's a little bit trickier, and we'd recommend you give us a call before you start dumping in dry solvents and stuff like that into your carpeting. Dry solvents like Goo Gone, Goof Off, they could mess up the backing of the carpeting, which makes the fibers loose, and it'll actually come out. If you get gum, tar, heavy oils, or anything like that onto your carpet, then definitely let us know and we'll help you out there. But that's it. Just make sure your carpet's vacuumed often. If you get a spill, reach for a good cleaning product like Stain Foo. If you have to use a machine like a home unit in between cleanings, and you can use Stain Foo in your rinse tank, it's 4 ounces per gallon. So that's it. Thank you.